Hello guys, good morning. Install natin to. Ito yung wipers na freebie ni Sir Canoto. So it's 18 inches and 24 inches. Kabit na natin kasi alam nyo naman, rainy season. So I put my wipers on service mode kagabi. Pero for your information, I will show you how to put this on service mode. Kasi iba, hindi pa alam. So let's go. So basically guys, when I pull down the wiper lever, it will go back to its normal mode. To put it sa service mode, you just have to activate your car and then turn off. No need to turn on the engine. And then pull down the lever. Then, eto na siya guys. Naka-service mode na siya. Okay, so let's go. So, unahin natin to. Madali lang siya guys. Ganun lang. Tignan nyo naman yan. Very old. And then, meron na siyang mga gaspang-gaspang. Let's do this. So, meron yang attachment. So meron talaga siyang extra. Wow, nice. Meron namang instructions dito sa likod. So you just can follow this one. Alright. But ito guys, very slick. Very flexible. And then rubberized din yung body niya. Hindi katulad nito na metal. So, let's put this. So, pwede siya ma-interchange. No worries. Yun. Okay. Next is yung 18 inches. Very quick lang to guys. Same. Merong extra na clip. Believe ako sa quality. Maganda. Alright, we're good to go. Okay, so to put it back to normal mode, just swipe it down. Yun. Try nga natin kung kamusta yung output or result or performance ng wiper na to. Okay. So, normal yan. Normal. Pag nagsa-start up tayo. Okay, pwede natin gamitin yung wiper. Spray muna tayo guys. Always do this. If you want to clean your windshield, always spray first para mas tatagal yung lifespan ng windshield wipers natin. Kasi it lessens the friction. Wow, so clean. Very nice. Ayan guys, okay na. Thank you so much, Sir Canoto. Thank you for the freebie. And watch out for my next videos guys sa mga installation ng mga binili kong accessory. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. God bless. Stay safe. Drive safe.